Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's with great pleasure that I would like to introduce to you the Toetalatalanoa youth group. They're going to be presenting a drama which talks about the origin of the Ta'avala. And this actual drama was written by the princess, and then the youth group have brought it to life. So please join with me in welcoming the youth group.
The origin of the Ta'avala. According to legend, a group of Tongan sailors were sent by the Tongan to go on a fishing voyage. The best catch of a fishing expedition was always specially presented to the Divine One, the Tuitonga. For people believed that if they did, they would be blessed with more fish in the future fishing expeditions. Therefore, they had to return to La Paha. Upon their arrival on shore, a long and very arduous voyage, the fishermen felt unworthy as their clothing made of pandanus leaves was either ripped or dirty due to the storm. In order to make themselves respectable, their leader instructed the sailors to cut up pieces of their sail, wrap it around themselves before going to the audience with the king. The king was so impressed that the sailors would sacrifice their most prized possession for him, that he decreed this to be the official court dress henceforth in Tonga.
Whawhiawhia mun ka te hapu sa ki ngai mea pai atu mo ngaro. Ku whamata apure au. Sai. Kamata hea ahon. Ko ia kotoa e ahi mai ka te au. E ai o tui ano tau wala. Maino? Sai.
Respect or whakaapapa in Tonga is shown to the king, chiefs, father, head of the family, ulumotua, the elders, between brothers and sisters, and the deceased. For this is the essence of the heart of a Tongan, or the loto e tonga, and the first of the 4 golden sashes of Tongan values. This is the origin of the tauwala in Tonga. Therefore, out of respect for each other, we bind ourselves to Tonga, no matter where we are in the world, and wear our tauwala with great pride.